Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nabi has identified a lack of patience and squad depth as key challenges for his team this season. In his first year coaching in South Africa, the 59-year-old has faced a difficult campaign, securing only 8 wins in 23 league matches. Despite the struggles, he has urged patience, emphasizing that the team is not far from being competitive, but struggles in crucial moments, particularly in decision-making in the final third. Nabi has pointed out that some players are being played out of their natural positions, affecting overall performance. He specifically highlighted that Dylan Solomons, who has been deployed in attacking roles at times, is naturally a right back, which impacts the team's attacking efficiency. However, he insists the issue does not lie with individual players, but rather with the overall tactical approach. Reflecting on recent back-to-back league defeats against Golden Arrows and Richards Bay, Nabi has taken full responsibility for the results. He noted that both matches followed a similar pattern, where Chiefs created opportunities but failed to capitalize. To address the situation, he believes the team needs 2 key improvements: patience and additional players with greater endurance and physical presence. Another concern for Nabi has been the team's tendency to complicate matches by missing scoring opportunities. Despite playing good football in several games, Chiefs have struggled to convert their dominance into victories, a recurring issue that has hindered their progress this season.